Hello everyone, welcome to MBA Karo. So CAT 2017 was a difficult examination when it comes to the DILR section. However, there were certain sets in the paper which could have been done easily, and these are the sets that a person should have attempted in the examination. So, in this video, I'm going to discuss one of the sets which was asked in this paper, which was on tasting of teas of different locations, and a person tastes these teas and gives them rating. So, let us have a look at this set. It says that a tea taster was assigned to rate teas from six different locations: Munnar, Wayanad, Ooty, Darjeeling, Assam, and Himachal. These teas were packed in six cups, numbered 1 to 6, not necessarily in that order. And he gave rating from scale of 1 to 10 and unique integer rating to each tea. Okay, now we are given certain information, right? So let us do one thing that we'll make a table out of it. Like one is your cup number, one is tea, from which place, and the third one let's make of rating. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 cups, and they are given certain place and the rating. So we need to fill something which is directly given, like cup 6 contain tea from Himachal. So this is from Himachal. And tea from Ooty got the highest rating, but it was not in cup 3. Okay, so it can be in any other thing, but Ooty is the highest one. The rating of cup tea in cup 3 was double the rating of the tea in cup 5, right? So this means that if it is double of this, let us say this rating is x, so this will be 2x, and 2x has to be an even number, right? So this also should come to your mind instantly, that if it is double, it has to be an even number. All right. Only two cups got ratings in even numbers. So one of the cups is this, okay, and another we do not know. Cup 2 got the minimum rating, and this rating was an even number. Okay. Now this got the minimum rating. This is minimum, and this is an even number. So this cup 2 has an even number. 3 also will have an even number. Only these two cups will have even numbers. Okay. Why cup 3 will have even number? Because it is 2 times of cup 5. Okay, all right. So now what we will do is we will try to make these combinations. Okay, and then it is also given that cup 3 got a higher rating than in cup 1, so 3 is greater than cup 1, right? That is also given, and some more information. So let us use these information to find the value of x, and this let's do all this mix match. Okay, now if we say that rating of uh, cup 2 at the minimum rating, and it was an even number, right? So minimum could be 246. If it is an even number, it can be 246. Now this 6 is not possible, right? Straight away we can reject 6. Why? Because if 6 was the rating, then you will not get like other ratings possible, right? You have to have 5 more ratings, and each of them has a unique rating. So 6 तो ऐसे ही reject हो जाएगा. So now let us assume that it is 4. Okay. Now this is the minimum rating. So x should be greater than this number, isn't it? X has to be greater than this number. So in that case, x will be 5. Okay, x will be 5. Suppose if I take 4, so minimum x की value 5 हो जाएगी, and this will be 10. Okay. Now it is given that OT got the highest rating. It was not in cup 3. So this is not the highest. Right? This is not the highest. Now how can OT get a rating? Because maximum rating is, possible rating is 10. 10 से ऊपर rating नहीं हो सकती. So OT is not the highest. OT is the highest. That means that this case is also not possible. So if we take minimum 4 here, this will become 5, minimum 5, because we cannot take less than 4. And this will become 10, and OT is not possible. So the only possibility here is 2. Okay, and this we do not know. So we will assume for this also. Now see this thing. It should be greater than 2. X should be greater than 2. It can be 3, 5, right? Just now we saw 5 is not possible. Just now we saw 5 is not possible because it was coming as 10. 4 is not possible because that has to be odd. So 2, 3, 6, that is done. Okay, so these three cup 2 rating we've got, We have got the rating of, we've got fulfilled this condition also. Okay, and we have fulfilled this condition also. Now OT has the highest rating, but not in cup 3. Okay, now OT cannot be in cup 3, OT cannot be here, OT can be 1 or 4, OT can be 1 or 4. Now if we see this, that this thing T in cup 3 got a higher rating than in cup 1. So this is not the highest. Okay, there has to be higher value. This is less than 6, and then OT can only be in this cup. So this will be OT. This will be the highest rating in cup 4. Okay. Now if we see this, this value is less than 6, and it has to be an odd number because only two even numbers are there. 6 से छोटा odd number क्या होगा? 5, because 4 is not possible, right? 4 is not possible, 1 is not possible because this is a minimum, so 5 आ जाएगा. Now Ooty and Himalaya, two values are remaining, and both of them values are, both these are odd numbers. Okay, so odd numbers कौन कौन से बचते हैं? 1 possible नहीं है, 3, 5 done, 7 and 9 are left, and Ooty is highest, so this will be 9 and this will be 7. So this is what we get as the ratings, right? Now let us see the next conditions. So we filled the rating part. Let us see this T thing. The rating of T from Wayanad was more than the rating from Munnar. So Wayanad is greater than Munnar, but less than that from Assam. So A greater than W greater than M. Now these three can come in any place, like A W M, A W M, AWM, so multiple possibilities, right? So we cannot determine this thing. So we can determine, yes, the rating of all 6 cups and the T's from 2 places, right? Now let us answer the questions and see that this result will be used in the questions. So what was the second highest rating given? So highest rating is 9, second highest is 7. Next question, what was the number of the cup that contained tea from Ooty? So this is in cup 4. If the T from Munnar did not get the max minimum rating, so it will we just derived that A greater than W greater than M. So Munnar did not get the minimum rating. So Munnar is not possible as this. Okay. So we are left with three values, 5, 6 and 3. So this will be A, this will be W, this will be M. What was the rating of the T from Wayanad? So in that case, Wayanad gets a rating of 5. If the cup containing teas from Wayanad and Ooty had consecutive numbers, okay, so if they had consecutive numbers, then in that case, which of the following may be true? So these have consecutive numbers, Wayanad and Ooty. So we know that AWM is there. Okay, Wayanad and Ooty have consecutive numbers. So now see this thing. One way is we can have Wayanad here. Okay, one way is Wayanad here, or we can have Wayanad here. Now A is greater than W. So if we consider this case, 6 is Wayanad. A cannot be greater than 6. There is no value greater than 6 available, right? So this case gets rejected. So this means this will be Wayanad. Now Wayanad is 3. Okay, Wayanad is 3, and we know that Munnar is less than Wayanad. So Munnar is 2. Now A can be of any of these, right? A is greater than W, so this can be A, and there is one place left, that is Darjeeling. So this can be Darjeeling also, this can be Assam also. So we get this as the possibility, right? So now let us answer, see the question, which of the following may be true? May be true means that it is not certain that it is true, it can be true. So that means the remaining three options will be false for sure. So first says cup 5 contains tea from Assam. That is false because that is from Wayanad. Cup 1 contains tea from Darjeeling. May be true. Okay, this may be true. So that is our answer. We can reject the other two like this. Tea from Wayanad got a rating of 6. No, it got a rating of 3. And tea from Darjeeling got the minimum rating. No, Darjeeling cannot get the minimum rating in this case. So we can reject the other three. So whenever a question asks may be true, that means other options are definitely false. So this is how this needed to be done. It was a short set and it required just single digit number. Knowledge of just single digit numbers, odd numbers, even numbers, that's it. So it was a simple set, could have been done by some smart students and maybe 5 6 very smart students must have done this in 5 6 minutes, and average students not more than 8 minutes in this set. So if you want to practice some great sets for CAT and DILR, you can subscribe to my channel Aptitude Jab, which has over 200 sets for DILR. And you can also join my Telegram group MBA Karo for more updates on MBA related examinations. I hope you like the solution of this video. So please do like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content on MBA.